Welcome back Techtions. My name is Amit Agarwal. Welcome to Python Register. Today we are going to see file handling in Python. In the earlier videos we have seen what was text file and what was CSV file. But today we are going to look what are binary files. Binary, as the name suggests, they are those files which are made up of the format of zeros and ones. So binary files are any files where the format isn't made up of readable characters. Binary files can range from image files like JPEGs or GIFs, audio files like MP3s, or binary documents like Word or any PDF. Means you can say that binary files are not readable but they are printable. Alright. So in binary file we have to follow some modes in order to operate a file. So first is R, that is for reading only but in text file. RB means reading but in binary file, and R plus means both reading and writing, and RB plus both reading and writing in binary file. Similarly we have W means writing, WB means for writing in binary file, W plus means both writing and reading, and WB plus means both writing and reading in binary file. Similarly we have A means append, AB means append binary, A plus means both append and reading, and AB plus means the same mode as appending and writing in binary file. Alright. So without wasting much time, let's move on to a code and understand exactly how binary file works. But before that we have to understand the concept of pickling and unpickling. So what is pickling? Python pickle module is used for serializing and deserializing Python object structures. The process of converting Python object like dictionary or list or any other Python object into byte streams in the form of zeros and ones is called pickling, or serialization, or flattening, or marshalling. We can convert the byte stream generated through pickling back to Python object by a process called unpickling. So you can say that when we convert Python object to byte stream, it is called pickle, and when we convert byte stream to Python object, it is called unpickle. And for that we have to follow, or I must say for that we have to import a module called import pickle in order to operate a binary file. So here is a simple example. So let's say we have import pickle, we have a list ABCD, we are opening a file and we are dumping the content of the file into list. In pickle we have two methods, dump and load. Dump means to write data into binary file, and load means to read the data from binary file. Alright, so we will understand it with the help of a code. So let's move to our IDLE. So here is our IDLE and let's understand the code. Initially we will write import pickle and let's check is this module working or not. So our old syntax, or I must say our vintage syntax, print success. Let's run the code. The code is running fantastic, means our pickle module is working. Now we will open a file. Let's say f equals to open. Let's say we are opening a file, let's say demo.dat, because in binary file the format is DAT. Alright, and then we have written over WB over here because first of all we have to create a file and then we are going to work on that. And let's say we have a list in which some elements are given over there. So let's say we have written Amit, comma Kiran, comma Naveen, and we have dumped the data into the binary file. How? Pickle dot dump. First of all, we will mention the list name and then the file name. So how the code is working? First of all, we have opened the file demo.dat in WB mode, and then we have created a list, and then we are trying to dump the file with the list that we have provided over here. And let's say if we run the code, we are getting success. It means our data is dumped. But what data is being dumped into the file? So let's open the file, and our file is demo.dat, and see, this is the content that has been converted from Python object to byte stream. So this process is called pickling. Alright, and if we move to the unpickle part, then what we have to do, let's create another file for that. Import pickle. Let's save it first. Import pickle. Let's open the file demo.dat, rb, and here we will write data equals to pickle dot load. Load means to read data from the file, and from which file? F file. And here we have printed the data, and here we are printing again our vintage message, that is success, to just ensure that our code is working or not. See, in our demo.dat file, we had a list in which Amit, Kiran and Naveen was printed. So in pickle, we have two functions: dump, that means to load, to write the data into the binary file, and another method is load method, which means to read the data from the binary file. Alright, so this is the explanation for the above code. This list contains a mylist which contains 4 elements ABCD. We open the file in WB mode, and then we are dumping the list into the file that we have created. Similarly, in order to unpickle a list, we have to use the module import pickle. We don't have any unpickle module, we only have pickle module. Load and dump are the part of pickle module, and then the entire function works in which the code we have worked on, and then we get our data. Alright guys, so I hope you have understood how we pickle and how we unpickle our data. So this is the basic introduction to binary file. I hope you understood something. I request you all to practice these Syntex Edu system. Do let me know in the comment section if any problem occurs so that we may sort it out. And please don't forget to like, subscribe and share our channel. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.